Y'all, it cannot be just me that's feeling like lately Sensational just has been dropping the ball. Like, they did the bare minimum when it comes to plucking this year. It just doesn't make any sense to me. I'm confused by it. I don't understand it, and I don't like it. I feel like we have an expectation, a certain expectation when it comes to the What Lace brand, and they're just not doing it for me lately. Like,
cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy, like poco a poco.
hey guys, and welcome back to Have Bake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another unit from the Sensational What Lace collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Braelyn and the color number 2, so let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does come with 13x6 HD lace parting space. It does come with baby hairs, and it does come pre-plucked. So let me just come and show you guys what this mess of a hairline is looking like. They did the bare minimum when it comes to plucking this unit. You would not think this is a Sensational What Lace unit based on the plucking, the lack thereof actually that is going on here. I don't know what's been going on with their recent units, but it seems like they are absolutely dropping the ball when it comes to plucking out their units, and I'm just not here for it. Because you do have that 13x6 parting space though, you can go in and plug it yourself, but y'all know I am a lazy girl. I am not here for that. I am not trying to do all of that, especially when they got other units from their butter lace collection that come way more plucked than a full frontal. Like, honey, that is a warning sign. That is a problem, and it just doesn't make any sense to me. I'm confused by it. I don't understand it, and I don't like it. So as far as the texture on this one, the texture is feeling like a slight yucky, and there's also some silkiness to it. I'm not really mad at the texture though. I feel like it's pretty nice. I did get some shedding, some tangling as well. I mean, it is a longer unit. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it definitely comes below my boobs. The density on this is all the hair to the front, so this one is going to be more of a natural density. It's like between 130% to 150% max, but it's definitely leaning more towards 130%. So if you're somebody who does like more of a natural density, then this one may be for you. I do like the vibe that it's going for. It's kind of like straight with like a little bit of flair. Like they just threw some like loose curls in there. It's given like everyday hair, but not necessarily, because the length, I feel like you could possibly get away with wearing this one every day though if you were to just cut it to a more reasonable length. So the quality of the hair seems pretty good, can't be mad at it. As far as the cap size on this one, is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. I don't really see it being big head friendly. I was able to get it ear to ear, but you see the glue, girl. Ooh. I was able to get it ear to ear, but my head is about 22 to 22 and a half inches in circumference, and it is fitting. But if my head was any bit bigger than that, then I feel like this would be an issue, so definitely just keep that in mind. This unit is also heat safe up to 400 degrees, so you can go in and add heat if you feel the need to. I didn't add heat because I didn't feel like it. So let me just pop into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con, and my actually only con with this unit, but the biggest con about this unit I'm gonna say is the hairline. Sensational. What are we doing? We're just going back in time now. This is like a trend that I'm seeing. I'm gonna call it a trend if two of the new units that I've picked up are having the same issue, which is, what are we doing with the hairline? Like, Joe known for having a great hairline, even as far back as the Sensational What Lace. Like, can we get into the Solana? Can we get into the Reina, Sensational Janelle, Morgan? You know what I'm saying? They set the trend for themselves. Like, they were coming with it when it came to the hairline. I feel like we, in a way, were willing to sacrifice hair quality a little bit when it came to at least having a wonderful hairline. And, like, this is just not, like, this is not giving me what it should be giving me. I feel like they're slacking. I feel like they're getting lazy. I think at this point they're kind of riding the wave of the name that's associated with them, because they know that we trust the What Lace brand because what they've given us in the past. I feel like we have a certain expectation when it comes to the What Lace brand, and they're just not doing it for me lately. Like, I don't know, maybe there's a third one I need to pick up to see if this is a definite trend, but what I'm seeing is, of these two new ones that I've picked up, I'm seeing the lack of plucked hairline, and I'm just not here for a honey. But I'm not going to be all negative. Let's just get into the pros of this unit. The pros on it are, I'm going to say, the hair quality seems pretty good. I like this look, honestly, a lot. I like that it's, like, effortless, and like I said, if you cut it down, you can get, like, an everyday vibe. Of course, I like the fact that you do get that 13x6 parting space, so there's that versatility there. I do like the texture of the hair as well. I'm more so of a big hair don't care type girls, but I do definitely appreciate a natural density unit when it comes along. And this is given, like, good density. This is cute. It's a cute look. I feel like I would be more of a fan if the hairline was where it needed to be. But other than that, I don't know. Maybe I feel cute if I put a hat on with this one, just like the other one. But that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.